4. The biopharmaceutical industry is now a global contributor to the world economy. Atorvastatin, a drug used to lower cholesterol, recently gained attention from the global media. Atorvastatin has the structure below. 4. Identify the 4 functional groups 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now you really need to pay attention to organic chemistry and your option, because this is probably where your mark is going to be at risk, because you're quite tired at the end of your second year of IB. And there's not much to this than memorization. I've written down here the functional groups that you have learnt and the corresponding homologous series. So these are the homologous series, and they're the names of the types of chemicals you've looked at. And over here on this side are the functional groups, the part of the chemical that is actually used, usually comes up into a reaction. And so in some cases you can learn it's just the same thing. In some cases, ester, aldehyde, ether. But the mark scheme specifically says if it's not, don't give them the mark. So if you've named the homologous series, so if you've just gone here and called this an alcohol, you'll get it wrong. So you need to call this a hydroxyl group. And here, don't call this an arene, it's a phenyl group. And don't call it benzene either. Call it by its proper functional group name. Don't call this a carboxyl group. Carboxylic acid group, call it a carboxyl group. And this amide here, that's going to be a carboxamide. Plain and straight memorization, I'm afraid.